welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome back to a brand new video. Hope you're all doing well and having a great day. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a quick declutter and organize of my wardrobe, which is just behind me here. So I'm just going to open the doors now and show you. So you're probably thinking, Amanda, it doesn't need any organizing at all, but trust me, it does. So I did actually go through this wardrobe just before Christmas. That's the end of November. I went through the wardrobe and tried to declutter it as best as I could. But as I'm sort of going through and decluttering the rest of the house, every day I open this wardrobe, I'm still not feeling the vibe. Okay, so I have actually got some systems in place from, you know, from before. Got these hooks here, which are kind of like a shabby chic kind of finish. I'm not actually going to be changing those because they work well in the wardrobe. I've got them on both sides. So what I'm going to be working on today mainly are these storage boxes, which are from Ikea. Those are jam-packed with all different types of things. I've got candles in the top one. I've got clothes in those ones, but I just need to organize the clothes. And then this side of the wardrobe is a little bit of a mismatch as well. I've got, like, you know, as you can see, I've got bags and now I've got clothes hanging up on there, which is fine, but it just needs a little bit of a tidying up. And then my drawers are all sorted out already. They're all organized and everything already. I'm not going to be doing those today. I'm going to be sorting out this basket here, which has got my shoes in there. I've got my, like, going out shoes, as I will call them, and also my sandals. So sandals are not really the vibe right now. The weather's not really that great for sandals, but I'm going to declutter this basket and see what I can use this spring, and then what needs to go to the charity shop as well. And then just at the back here is the hidden gems. Okay, so I've got all this to declutter, guys, you know. So I've got some storage systems to put these in, and also I've got my crystal box, which I just absolutely love. This is from Primark. And then just on the side here, I've got this gift bag, which has got, like, it's just full of I don't know how many scissors one household can have. It's just full of scissors and a screwdriver in there, a mixed match of tools, really, which don't really need to be in the bedroom, to be fair, you know. So yeah, so that all needs to be sorted out. And then I'm just going to organize the clothes. And then just on the side, going back to the side here, I just need to tidy this up a bit as well. So that's what I'm going to be doing mainly today, guys. Okay, so it's not going to be an extreme declutter or organize. I'm just going to go through everything quickly, get it all done and make it look better than what it is at the moment. Okay, so if you'd like to see me declutter and organize my wardrobe, please keep watching. I'm just going to go through the wardrobe here now and put everything into color order. And take the things off the side of the wardrobe here. So I'm using this Method multi-surface spray, the French lavender scent, which I just absolutely love. Wardrobe a bit of a wipe down. I'm just going to put this back onto the hanger. Okay, so I'm going to do the same on this side. Just spray this multi-surface spray onto the door. And then just give it a wipe down. It's microfiber cloth. So next I'm just going to take out everything from inside this bit here and just place it on the bed. I might just have to use basket to put everything in. Just to make it a lot easier for me. Those in there. So I'm just going to give the surface of my chest of drawers in the wardrobe here a wipe down. And I'm just going to spray it onto the cloth rather than spray it directly onto the surface, because I've got all the clothes hanging up there. Just give that a wipe down inside there as well. So I just want to show you what I've done here. I've used some contact paper to cover the top of this chest of drawers because it was all chipped and looking a bit horrible, you know. So I've contact papered it using this marble contact paper, and I got this from Amazon. I will try and link that in the description box, okay, for you guys if you want to go ahead and purchase some of this. It's really saved the surface of this chest of drawers, you know. I just thought I'd show you that. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to take off all the perfumes there. I'm going to go through them because there's a lot of them that I'm no longer using. And to be fair, I don't know what it is, but some of the smells I don't really like anymore. So I'm just going to declutter those, put the ones in that I'm using, and just put the other ones on Marketplace to get them sold on Spock or something like that. Or just even give them away, you know, because there's quite a lot in there. There's actually all kind of things mixed on this shelf. I've got perfumes, I've got nail polishes, you know, it all just needs to come out. So again, I'm just going to use the same microfiber cloth and wipe down this glass shelf that I've got in here. Just wipe down the sides in there as well. And then I'm just going to take out these containers, which contain mixed match of items as well. These really need to be decluttered and sorted out into categories. So one for my nails, one for my eyes, and so on. So that's going to be a job and a half to do. I've actually got 3 of these, okay, to sort out. And then in this bag here, I've got all my nail polishes, as well as a body spray. I've got a little wooden box that I'm going to decanter these into, and I just hope it's going to hold all of them because there is quite a lot in there. So again, I'm just going to spray and dust. I've got this glass mirror tray, and I really want to use this to put my perfumes on, and I'm hoping that it's going to fit into this space. These are the Billy shelves from Ikea, if anyone's wondering. I've just added a glass shelf and some of these storage boxes, which you can also find in Ikea, okay? I will link everything in the description box. I'm hoping that this is going to fit in there to hold my perfume. So let's try. Let's see if it's going to fit, guys. It's actually coming off the edge there. So I'll find somewhere else in the house to use that. I think I've got one other item that I'm going to try and use. I mean, this basket here will fit, I think, perfectly. This tray actually fits in here, but I actually want to use this somewhere else in the house. So I absolutely love game-changing storage solutions, and I got the perfect item to put in here, actually, for my perfumes. I think you guys might know what it is. You might have seen it on one of my hauls, but yeah, I'm going to put it in there. It's going to be a bit of a hack as well, okay? So I'm going to just take these down for now. It's quite heavy and it still needs to be decluttered. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to work on this shelf here and get it all organised. I've got this box, so I think this is going to be perfect to put my nail polishes in. Those also need to be decluttered. Some of them have gone a bit dry. So I'm just going to put the ones in, obviously, that are okay to use, and the ones that I use on a regular basis. And then all the other ones are going to probably go in the bin, or I can use them for some sort of DIY jobs as well. So this has worked out really well. It's just a spare box that I had lying around the house. It's wooden as well, so I just, you know, it works out really well for the nail polishes. So now I'm just going to go through these 3 containers. They do need a bit of a wipe down. It's got a bit of makeup in them. Just going to wipe them down. So these are all being decluttered now. I'm really going to do my best to keep them in this order. So that's all the sort of makeup and things for my eyes, my eyebrows and all that kind of thing. In here I just got nail files. I've got my 2 little cups where I soak my nails off when I do gel nails. Okay, that's in there. And then in here I've just got some extra bits. So I'm just going to place these in here now. And they do fit well. So now I'm just going to sort out the perfumes. And like I said, I've got the perfect solution in terms of storage. It's going to be a complete game changer. It's this, guys, the Lazy Susan, the Poundland Lazy Susan. It's a 2-tier one. Don't need to use that bit. I can probably just keep that for something else. But it's this part that I really want to use. I'm going to put this in here. And I'm going to put my perfumes on there. So I can just turn it around. And then reach for a perfume. Game changer. I've just got it on there and I can just turn it around and then just choose my perfume. Absolutely brilliant. Love that. So as you saw earlier, I just shoved everything inside this basket. Now I'm just going to organise it and then just place the basket inside the cupboard here. So I'm absolutely loving how these 2 shelves are looking. You know, they're all decluttered and organised. So now I'm going to go through these 3 baskets here, declutter them, put everything back, and then I'm going to go through the shoes. My large handbag, got my clutch bag, like so, and then I always have a spare mask to hang up there. I'm absolutely loving how everything has turned out in the wardrobe. It's decluttered, it's organised, it's clean, and I'm just so pleased with how it all turned out. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Do give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new. I love to have you on board, love to have you as part of my YouTube family. And for those of you that are returning, thank you so much for tuning in to watch today's video. Take care of yourselves, keep well, and I shall see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.